Welcome to Cooking with Allie. Today on the menu is beef Wellington. It is a personal favorite of mine, and it is a very romantic meal, so please make this for someone special.
For the mushroom filling, you will need a small carton of white button mushrooms, 2 medium shallots, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and kosher salt and pepper.
Let's get started, shall we?
I use a generous amount of salt just because it gives it more flavor. Let me do some pepper. You're going to want to put some oil in a pan and also some butter. And I'll do about 2 tablespoons of butter. And let's get that all heated. And we are ready to do the mushroom filling. So put in all of your mushrooms. And all of your shallots. And then you want everything, basically you want the shallots to be caramelized and everything to be super soft. Throw in a garlic clove all chopped up, and this is going to make it smell amazing. I mean, if you had smell-o-vision, this would be a treat for you, and I'm sorry it's not. Okay, now we're going to transfer our mushroom filling into a bowl. Now we're going to sear the fillets and get a nice crust on them. They have been seasoning with the salt and pepper. Now let's get a good You are going to want to sear your filet mignons for 30 seconds on each side, not too long. Lay the filo dough flat, and you're wanting to take a pastry brush and brush it with the melted butter all over it. Of course, I forgot to buy a pastry brush, so I am using a brand new paintbrush that is very small. It's not Cooking with Allie without some kind of tool malfunction, right? So you want to brush the entire thing and soak it with butter. You're going to want to take another piece of the filo dough, lay it flat on the second piece, and you want to do the exact same thing. You're going to do this
9 times.
4 times. We are now going to cut the filo dough in half. And now we are ready to assemble. Take our fillets, put it in the middle. Now we're going to take a slab of the herbed Boursin cheese and put it right on top of the fillets. The more the better, you guys. And then we are going to spoon the mushroom filling over the top. And this can be messy, you guys. It doesn't matter because it's going to be wrapped up in a present and no one will tell. This is what it looks like. And now we are going to wrap them up like little presents. Okay, so now we're going to wrap this like a little present. I'm going to take the 2 opposite sides, just kind of up. And then you want to do for the sides, how this is open, you want to close it and kind of prop this part up. It's really however you want to do it.
There's really no, I kind of just made it my own way to make it look like a little present. Same with this side, you want to close that open spot. You just stick your toothpick in so you know it's going to stay. You don't want it to break. Yeah, that's a good little present. I'm going to put it on the baking dish.
The last step is that you have to paint the melted butter onto the entire outside area of both of the presents. and you're going to put it in an oven at 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Is this the most amazing thing you've ever had?